g'day, it's Phil from PT Precision again. We've got a Volkswagen Amarok. This is the Walkinshaw 580. This is what you buy through the dealer. It's got all the extra Walkinshaw gear on it, the wheels, the sticker, all the trim. I believe the trim's great on this thing. So your Walkinshaw mats, seats, headrests throughout it. It's got exhaust tips and stuff that comes from the Walkinshaw. It's got your badging. The badging on here. Twin tips, obviously it's twin exhaust coming out. This one's coming up here. So we got 580 package, build numbers come into it. So what we're going to do is today we're doing the 680 upgrade. So, and the Walkinshaw package again. So it's a software package, sticker decal, a few other bits and pieces that we do. We won't be able to show you what we do with the programming. That's an in-house thing. We have to pull the tuning out of the car, send it away, but it's meant to increase the Newton meters from 580 to 680. Also kilowatts of power between 25 and 30 kilowatts. That's about 30 to 40 horsepower. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try and prove that. I'm going to take that down to a dyno, down in Brookvale, a dyno that we know and we trust, and we're going to run this one on there to see how it goes. This thing's a 2022 model. It's only got 4,000 Ks on it, but I'll be interested to see how it performs on the dyno, and we'll do it before and we'll do it after once we've done the final programming of the ECU and stuff. It's meant to change also the gearboxes. There's apparently roughly around 10 different changes in the transmission as well, and particularly good for towing. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Try and do a standing start. I've got a truck coming up below. I've got enough distance actually now. Just see how she accelerates. Okay, so we're at 0 now. Standing start. Go. It's sluggish. That's 40, 60, 80, 100. I don't know how many seconds that was. Felt alright, but it was a bit sluggish down low. Didn't really respond. We'll see if we can do that after the dyno and the tuning map going in. Now, I mean, it goes quite well, this thing. It's nice to drive. Seats are great. Beautiful. Yep. So we're just going to do a dyno run on standard. We're ready to go. We'll do a couple of power runs on standard tune, and then we're going to hit the tune and then do another power run afterwards. So just setting that up and see how it run this, just setting it up now. I'll just do another stop start, see how we go on this one. This is after the tune, obviously. We're ready, go. Oh, 40, 60, 80, little bit of turbo lag at the very beginning, but Jesus Christ, it really fucking does pick up. It launches the front, so there we go. Go. Oh, that just wheel spun. Didn't do that before. So that's good. That's definitely much better than what it was before. I can't safely do this every time. Mate, I never wheel spun before. Anyway, I'll show you the numbers. I think it's a pretty good gain. Safe gain. But I'm pretty impressed with that. It's all good. Yeah. Now we can do another stop start again on this. It's actually quite good through that mid-range as well. It's very impressive on that. Oh, there's quite a few cars. Just stop here quickly. I might just roll it a little bit. Go. Whoa! Fuck, hell. 60, 80, 100. Fucking hell. And it really is impressive on that. It does go 2,000 up and it picks the whole front end up. So it is quite good, and just driving, if you want to put it on, I don't want to flog the car, I'm not going to flog it, but mate, I reckon that's a good safe gain. Full warranty, go back to Amarok or Volkswagen Australia, no problems whatsoever. Transmission's meant to have 10 different upgrades in that for the towing as well, so it'd be really interesting to see how this tows as well. I know a lot of people have been complaining about the transmission, so the transmission's got 10 different upgrades in it as well, which you can't really see, but you'd know it's designed for towing. But anyway, that's good. It's a good gain. I'll show you the dyno shits. I think it went from 149, 150 to 170 something on there. So anyway, I'll show you, get some photos of that dyno sheets as well. Alright. Okay, so that sort of wraps it up. The Walkinshaw package also, it comes with decal stickers which run along the sides of the doors and up the bonnet and everything. So this customer's not wanting to put those stickers on, which is fine. I'm happy not to put them on as well. You also get complimentary, you get hats and key rings, cups and pens and stuff, which is quite a neat package. So this is the dyno sheet afterwards. So you've got the first one. Now, remember, this is at the wheels, not at the flywheel. So this is the wheel. So at the beginning you had 505 Newton meters. At the end you had 564 basically Newton meters. So that's a good gain, and went from kilowatts from 150 kilowatts to 170 kilowatts power. So that's a pretty good gain. It's a safe gain. It's manufacturer's warranty gain as well. So Volkswagen Australia have complied with this also. So your warranty is safe for the 3 years, 100,000 kilometres on all your driveline. The pickup, right? So we sort of we videoed the acceleration from stop to go to 100, and what I can tell roughly, it's from 9 seconds at the beginning down to 7 seconds. So it's a pretty quick gain, and you could actually see the car after the tune's done, the car's picking up, and it was actually breaking traction, so it was wheel spinning a couple of times on it. So I think it's an overall really good gain to stay in the manufacturer's warranties. So I think it's pretty impressive. Hopefully the guy will be quite impressed and happy with what we've done. So that's your Amarok package from Walkinshaw. Yeah, it's all good.